शुक्रिया नवीन। जी हाँ, पीके
A very experienced coach, but that experience. Hello, welcome. Shall I change the court or something? But that wasn't allowed again as the whistle goes ahead. Yeah, right. Harish Kumar Nachiappan, he starts the proceedings for Sivagangai Warriors. And change of coach. I think that might have a little bit of an effect on the team. Probably in a positive note, Wonder Surinder Sundar, he's also a very good coach, might be having other responsibilities, might have gone out. But today, Sivasankar, nice.
यकीनी तौर पे। और जी हाँ नवीन, पीके स्पोर्ट्स और शिवगंगे अभी भी इंतजार कर रही है अपने जीत का। पीके स्पोर्ट्स भले ही एक मैच जीता है, लेकिन उनके जो स्कोर डिफरेंस है मुझे लगता है -27 है। लेकिन यहाँ पर पीके स्पोर्ट्स का पहला खिलाड़ी पकड़ा गया है। शिवगंगे को मिलेगा पहला पॉइंट, नीली जर्सी को मिला है वो अभी। जी हाँ, और
yeah, as expected, Raider out. Malukkan today has been lucky.
जी हाँ, कभी कभी आप चाहते हैं कि वो लक आपके साथ हो। और
on the team sheet, you will see it as Santosh Chidambaram. They use the but yeah, it's Chidambaram actually. Chidambaram is a place, and this is a fabulous toe touch. And against Bhaskar and Yuvraj, we thought any right raider to get a toe touch, he needs the extra bit of skill. That is the extra skill that is needed, is what has been shown from Sivalingam Chilapandi. And not easy, Navneet, against Bhaskaran, who's got a very strong ankle hold. And the reason why the toe touch was successful because I think
है कि आप बल्लेबाजी कर रहे हैं नवीन, और बहुत देर तक शून्य पे ही टिके हुए। मुझे याद है एक मैच था 1990, मतलब मिड 90s का मैच होगा। राजेश चौहान खेल रहे थे, अगर आपको याद होगा राजेश चौहान, क्योंकि आप अक्सर बोलते हैं आप बहुत यंग है, तो शायद आपने सुना नहीं होगा। पर
I don't know.
जी हाँ, 70 बॉल उन्होंने खेला था, 72 और शून्य पे आउट हो गए थे शायद वो।
करेक्ट। यहाँ पे रेडर आउट होने की संभावना कम है। लेकिन हरीश कुमार has been judged as a raider out. Udis goodies super tackle. Harish Kumar Nachiappan struggled as long as he can, Navneet, and that first point for PK Sports has now come in via a super tackle. He struggled. No, it's still whether you score a boundary or anything. First and foremost, you go out there, get that first run under your belt. So maximum, I would have taken 4 to 5 balls to get off the mark. But here, Sivalingam is off the mark and also in a flash. There, once again, he goes there and kicks Ranjit Shanmugam with so much ease. Couple of points, Navneet. And no raid points for sure, still for PK Sports. That's been a worry. Yeah, 2 points. Gets Prashant Raman. See, he's not gone in and taken points in heap. Sivalingam, he's gone in and he's got small targets, just 1 touch point, 2 touch point. That's all he's done. And Yoganathan Selvalan, do or die raid as well. Last player standing. That's it. Chain tackle gone down. All out. No raid points at all. Not even a bonus mark. This is the first raid point for PK Sports. Just because it was the means, yeah, you very clearly said when you want to run, you first need to tie your shoelaces. Ankle hold, third tackle point. This is nice from PK Sports' defense. Prashant Raman does not allow the raider to walk in. But he gets a bonus though.
और मैं आपने उस दिन लिंक्डइन की बात की थी।
Again, a young side didn't know what to do. That aggression was much needed. But here, this aggression is also needed. Nanda Kumar, after a long time, Navneet, he's in the thick of points. A couple of points here. Is it 3? Yeah, Velamal super raid. Wow.
जी हाँ, और क्या कहानी, हम चले गए 22 साल पहले, और क्या कमाल के दिन हुआ करते थे।
Oh, Woody is good. Super tackle. Yes. Both the legs have been held by two defenders and the upper body by one more defender, Bhaskar and Yuvraj. First, it looked like as if Sivalingam will go through and inflict the all out, but two defenders holding the legs. Navneet, that was not what was needed. Ooty's Goodies super tackle, but then Bhaskar and Yuvraj getting up and going to the top half of the body. First, he slips Sivalingam, and then you see the two defenders holding the legs. There, two defenders held on to the legs. But the important factor was Bhaskar and Yuvraj standing up, having the presence of mind to go out there and take care of the top half of the body. Who's the police car? Police car means police wala. Who's that? Sanjay Kumar has been inducted in for the raiding department. And then the right corner once again with the chain tackle. Santosh Chidambaram. What today Sivagangai have done really well is Navneet. Even Yelumalai and Santosh Chidambaram on either corners, they have gone in with chain tackles, and that's been. Yelumalai has told it. I guess he is saying Sivalingam Chilapandi. He is indicating on Sivalingam Chilapandi, and he's also told Vanda mattam eduthrunga. That means if there is an opportunity, only then go for the tackle. The defense has done what the coach said. 2 points here, and they want to review this probably. Probably there's a review. Hang on, Mr. Parker. Just wait. If they need a review, just give it to them. He was just chasing away the players. Just hang on. Ankle hold. The touch was there on the radar. Right, and then he uses a raid. Navneet, I will tell you, you said, hum South India mein chawal khate hain, but Sanjay Kumar has been dashed out. He was thrown into the grinder, and the right cover comes across in no time, Manivannan. But in Tamil Nadu and even few parts of Karnataka, the rural parts, there's something called Sadam Vadikirது. You know what that means? Yeah. Sadam Vadichitingla is what we say. So Navneet, when you take off the starch from the, and something exceptional is expected of Yoganand Sendilvelan now, Navneet.
सत्ताईस और 10 और योगानंदन.
Yeah, he gets a point. Very first time here, Yelumalai. Yes.
क्योंकि कर्ड राइस यहाँ पे बहुत ही पॉपुलर है साउथ इंडिया में. आप जहाँ पे भी जाइए रेस्टोरेंट में कर्ड राइस मिलेंगे. लेकिन बिहार में हम लोग खाते हैं फ्लैटेंड राइस के साथ कर्ड. फ्लैटेंड राइस यानी कि हिंदी में उसे चूड़ा कहते हैं, और चूड़ा के साथ दही के साथ गुड़, और दही गुड़ बहुत शानदार लगता है. और वैसा ही शानदार डिफेंस यहाँ पे देखने को मिला है.
Lovely. Yeah, that left corner once again, isn't it? Bhaskar and Yuvraj are champions for Palni Tuskers.
क्या वो मैच 4:15 बजे 4:15?
Exactly. We go live 4:10. The do or die raid. Yoganand and Sendilvelan. First will not be given bonus. This is nice. The right corner is standing up. High line defense on that right corner. That's good from Santosh Chidambaram. Still, Yoganandan wants the bonus. Running attack. Attacks Yelumalai. Gets it. Yelumalai once again becomes a problem spot for Sivagangai.
लो स्कोरिंग है, तो मैं एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा हूँ कि क्या हाई स्कोरिंग हो सकता है. क्या जब शानदार कोचेस रहते हैं तो क्या हाई स्कोरिंग नहीं हो सकता है. और आजकल के जो हमारे एक कोच है, जिसे कहते हैं पॉपुलरली, हम उनके लिए एक टर्म भी बना है, बैस बॉल. तो क्या ये जो दोनों कोचेस है यहाँ पे रोका गया है, क्या वो हाई स्कोरिंग इनकाउंटर कर सकते हैं 4:15 बजे?
Highly unlikely. Yeah, do what I read now, Navneet. All yours, and then we will talk about that.
एब्सोल्युटली. और सिर्फ 8 मिनट का खेल बचा है. यहाँ पे हरी आए हैं डू और डाई रेड लगाने के लिए. ज़्यादा प्रेशर उन पे होगा नहीं. बिल्कुल यहाँ पे आउट हो गए. प्रेशर इसलिए नहीं कि उनकी टीम बहुत आगे है. 18 पे पहुंच गई है पीके स्पोर्ट्स, 32 पे.
Solo one again from Bhaskar and Yuvraj. Previous time he was seen getting out of the end line. Now they need the all out. Now they really need this all out. They need to go for it deeper. Yelumalai attempts it, all out, inflicted. Wonderful work. Once again, here Gopal and Prabhakaran first attacked Yelumalai, who was low in confidence. And then escaped the threat from the other defender. Navneet, much needed all out here for PK Sports. They can really look to now come back in the match.
लहरें हैं वो बदल रही है.
Yeah, if it turns, it'll be nice. If the tides do turn, it will be nice. We can get an exciting match, but 10-point difference can be wiped off in no time. And Sivagangai Warriors' bench has now come in. But right corner today has been brilliant. Santosh Chidambaram. Oh! And also, good support from Nandakumar. If he has lifted his left leg, then he's also out. This is a nice roll back now there. If he lifts his left leg, he's out. If he lifts his left leg, he's out.
Jersey number 6.
Yes.
Also out of bound.
Nandakumar. Navneet. Over aggression. Is dangerous, right?
Red.
एब्सोल्युटली. और जी हाँ, यहाँ पे देखिए किस तरीके से जकड़े गए, पकड़े गए और फिर गिरा दिया गया उन्हें. और यहाँ से यकीनी तौर पे हर एक रेड खासकर पीके स्पोर्ट्स के लिए डू और डाई है, चाहे वो डिफेंस करे चाहे अटैक.
Yeah, right. Do or die raid. Sivalingam is trying his best, and then he jumps over. But then second line of defense comes across. Sivagangai Warriors. Yes, they are trying to go up, but PK Sports are trying to snatch away that 1 point from this match. Now the score difference lies on 9. 2 more points.
Red out. 1 point. Sivagangai Warriors.
And Sivagangai Warriors will take all 6 points out of this match. What a victory for them. And some changes being made. Nandakumar firing and Sivalingam Sellapandi starting off. Van Dam Lewis playing in that Virat Kohli position, as we always say. He came in from the bench. Last 10 minutes of the match, he came in like that extra raider. He took that super raid away, and yeah, Sivasankar will be happy. Sivagangai Warriors have put up.
जी मैच